So are you disappointed that Brahim decided to leave?
No, I said many times. So. We did with Brahim the same way I've done with Phil and with Jadon, important players. We did absolutely everything. The only one he decided to stay is Phil, and that's all. Wish him all the best. Of course, going to Real Madrid is not a bad step. So hopefully he can take the minutes he want to take and he didn't want in the last period for many reasons. So wish him all the best because he's a nice guy. But in the other side, again, congratulations for the academy, for the club to working so well, because at the end when that's happened and teams like Madrid or important teams in Europe want our players because they are working really well. So nothing to add.